what I wanted to explain to you today, we've received the K2 back in today, I don't know, sometime this afternoon. And what we like to do, we like to go ahead and get the forks mounted, the headlight mounted, get everything, all the paint up off of the shelves and everywhere so nothing gets damaged, okay? But let's say you've got all that done. It's just so easy to forget about making sure that you have a ground. I receive calls on this quite a bit, so I thought I wanted to do an instructional video, and Lucas agreed. But what I want to explain to you, you want to make sure that the key holder for the ignition switch, okay, because you can see clearly right here it is covered in paint, and not only paint, clear coat. So what I want to do is I want to take my Dremel and I want to make sure that I take all of that off to ensure a good ground. And it's no more than just that right there. So now we've got bare metal, our switch will definitely ground there. Now, come on the other side a minute for me, because this is an area that you guys forget also. When you look at this, what we call the studs for the ignition coil, okay, you can clearly see that the paint and clear coat is very thick on this side. What I want to make sure that you do is I want to make sure that we bare that back right here and make sure that you see that you have bare metal. And you can look right there, now we're showing bare metal. Okay, I'll do the other side as well. And now everything is nice and clean, okay? So what I'll do is, you can see I'll grab my coil at this point and I'll come right around here, and when we look at that, now we've got nice clean surface on my original coil that I will reuse, nothing wrong with it. And then we will go ahead and put it up here, and that way this guy will have a very nice ground, okay? So just remember to make sure that you have a good grounding surface where you're mounting your coil as well as your ignition switch, okay? Thank you guys today for viewing. There will be plenty more instructional videos to follow, and I encourage everyone, if you've not, please go on our website and check that out at lil-bikesrestoration.com. Thanks, and see you next time.